It takes a lot of hard work to design a creative trademark and establish a brand name. It would be surprising and annoying if someone used your trademark. However, trademark infringement keeps happening from time to time. As per the trademark owner, you need to know how to fight back. In this video, I will talk about what action you have to take in this situation. Okay. Long story short, let's dive in. Hi, I am Forrest of First Intellectual Property. Let's start to talk about what should do if someone uses your trademark. I will describe the sequence in 4 steps. The initial step in the protection of your brand is to review your rights, in case of someone else exercising your mark. This is the time to organize the basic documentation like certificates or proof of usage of your mark, to make sure your trademark right is solid. Small business owners sometimes think that it is not necessary to register their marks. But when some other company ends up claiming their mark as their own, that creates unwanted issues. It is not mandatory to register your mark as an unregistered one that comes under common law rights as well. In case a lawsuit arises against your mark, the court is going to rule in favor of the company that has it registered or has been using it for a longer period. In this manner, set yourself in the most ideal situation by registering from the beginning. The next step is to identify if trade infringement took place, which means to be clear that your trademark rights are truly being violated from a legal point of view. To do so, you must be able to show that the infringing trademark is being used on the same or almost identical goods or services for which your mark is registered. Even if it causes confusion among consumers regarding the product's origin, it still comes under trademark infringement. For instance, Delta Airlines and Delta faucets are both in use. When you are redesigning your bathroom, you aren't likely to purchase an airline ticket by mistake. If another company is using your mark, ask yourself if a customer is likely to confuse their business with your own. Also, you need to search for the local trademark data and review whether it is any registration granted to the infringed party. For the step, you better hire a trademark consultant or trademark attorney to do so. Another key factor is location. For instance, there is a grocery store with the name Mr. Jill's in Vancouver, British Columbia, and there is another store with the same name in Toronto, Ontario. This will cause trademark infringement, and whoever has registered their mark will get an upper hand in the case. In case no one has registered, whoever has been using the mark for a longer period will have an advantage over the other. In this step, the trademark attorney begins by sending a cease and desist letter to the infringing business and asking them to stop using your mark. If the infringing business continues to use your mark, the next step the attorney takes is to file a lawsuit in federal court against them. You can ask the court to make the infringing business pay for any damage that infringement did. If the opposing party made any profit using your mark, you can ask for compensation as well. Finally, for better protection, it is recommended to ask a trademark consultant to do an overall review of your brand. By considering your current business and upcoming development, the consultant will advise you to modify or extend your trademark registration. It could cover up the missing part of protection and ensure your business development smoothly without other infringement attacks. Every successful business must know about intellectual property rights. In this channel, we would share about business, branding, and intellectual property knowledge regularly and for free. If you want to be outstanding in business, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, give us a thumbs up to encourage us to do more videos for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. FirstIP.com.
One-stop global trademark register.